This is a Dalarna University production.
The Business Intelligence Program is a unique program which collects different disciplines like statistics, computer engineering, and finance, and or economy. And this is a unique program which cannot be collected in different universities. And putting all this together makes a good opportunities for students to get good knowledge in these three subjects. So the input to the program is from different disciplines, and the output is from different disciplines. Besides that, we have different companies here, and the students can apply their thesis in these companies. And this is a unique opportunity which is available to the students.
This, our business intelligence programming cooperate with big company and small company, and those company provide the real data. Our students studying this programming could get opportunity to learn from real data. You have a good chance to go through practical questions, try to solve it, and through this practical issue, you learn something from the real world. And third, probably it's important when you've been a BI student here, you earn a critical point, you can automatically transform to PhD programming if you become, in future, become a PhD student.
Most importantly, during the time when we have been planning this program, we have contacted several different companies and asked them what they want us to develop. And we have explained what we can offer. Companies have contacted us. So we have a quite large network of companies that we have contact with, which means that when the students come here, they will have the possibility to choose between different companies where they want to do their master thesis. And once they have done the master thesis at the company, and the friends have also done master thesis at different companies, they themselves will have a broad network, and the chance of getting a job is very, very good.
So we are giving a unique opportunity to our students to study and develop their skills so that they can work directly with the business problem. They can help the business and the organizations in making their decision in a more scientific way.
From my point of view, I think a lot of social science education have left out teaching in the ability for the students to learn how to analyze quantitative data, especially microdata. And that is exactly what we are trying to educate and teach our students in here.
The Business Intelligence program will exploit this fact that we here in Högskolan Dalarna have a tremendously good access to geographical data. The reason for that is that the National Road Administration, as well as the Cadastral Authority, is locally situated here, and they are in charge of making sure that data is being collected in space. I mean, in space in the sense that geographically. And the students doing the BI program will have a really good opportunity to study geographical data and dealing with very large and complex data sets. And I believe that that will be very, very hard to find another place in the world where you would have such an extraordinary good opportunity of testing your skills on real data with really complicated problems.
Business intelligence requires collecting large amounts of data about business activities. And from a historical and cultural perspective, this is something that the Swedes are very good at. The Swedes collect data about everything. And you can get a little bit scared about this in terms of like Big Brother is watching you. On the other hand, the Swedish tradition is can be summarized like this. Yes, Big Brother is watching you, but we, the citizens and academics, can watch Big Brother. we can find out all about the data that's held about the citizens. And there's an openness in government and business that data should be freely available. And I think the interesting thing about Sweden is that they've opened up the other side of this coin. So whereas many other countries, they sweep this under the carpet and pretend that this isn't happening, and that's much more dangerous than having an open attitude. And the other thing is it gives you a lot of business opportunities to make money and do things in companies which would take a lot longer in many other countries, but we can be agile and take advantage here in Sweden.